Well, the Senate is certainly one of the magical things of our government. The Founding Fathers had really, they were visionary. They had tried with the Articles of Confederation, it didn't work. And they were trying to come up with a constitution. And the breakthrough came when a New England delegate gave the idea for what is called the Great Compromise. And the Great Compromise was how we were going to have a state like New York, all those people, and a state like Rhode Island, with very few people and small place, how they would want to work together. And the Great Compromise was just that. House of Representatives would be based on population. There would be 2-year terms. No one would ever be appointed. You'd always have to run for re-election. And the Senate, which would have 2 from every state. That was a great compromise. And it was the magic that allowed us to have a constitution. It was, as I said, visionary. And so what I would like everyone to know is the Senate as an institution, imperfect, but really has worked well over the years. It's going through some real struggles right now. The Senate existed for centuries based on collegiality, people getting along, not taking advantage of the rules of the Senate. The rules of the Senate have been built up over the years, but the reason they worked is because people were ladies and gentlemen and wouldn't take advantage of the rules. But in the last few years, as you've seen, that rules have been used to, in my opinion, not do good things for the country. Without being too specific, we have an ongoing battle that's been going on during the time we've been a country. We've tried over the centuries to legislate religious freedom, but it's a lot harder to do than it appears to be. Joseph Smith, among other things, was a politician. 1844, he ran for president on a really quite a progressive, radical platform. Free the slaves, create a national bank. And in 1844, that was really something. And he traveled around campaigning. I believe that tenets of the church, I have tried my best to live them, and I'm not going to let somebody that's trying to mess with me in church mess up how I feel about things. So I don't worry about them. It's been helpful to me to start every day of my life in the Senate with prayer.